hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso y salam, welcome to the channel y'all, chash and yak shimash, good day y'all, ni hao. Today we're back with a video that has been about 8 weeks since it was last paused, you guys all know, so a lot of changes that have happened, so it's back to the workshop to make this video. I need to finish off this video of the Hoover Junior so I can send it back to the person that sent it to me to be repaired. We got as far as repairing it all. These are the bits. I put the plug through the dishwasher so it came up like new. And inside here, I've got the insides of the plug that I need to put together. And there's also the belt that I dishwashed as well to kind of, for the bag. Anyway, first of all, before that, let me bring you guys in a bit closer. Okay, so I bought some more weights because I desperately needed some more weights. So I bought some more weights so I could do the retro brighting. I also bought a pack of 4 like surgical grip things as well that I can use for the retro brighting. So that is something that will be used in the near future. I'd like to say a great big thank you to my friend Dave, who a couple of weeks ago sent me some of this from my Amazon wish list, which is some lovely hammered white hammerite paint, which will be used at some point in the future for a project. And also this absolutely amazing little set, this little Bosch set of all different types of bits and this lovely little spanner, which I can't get out now. Ugh. Come on. There we go. So this will be really good for when I'm doing some of my work. Let me put this back now. So a great big thank you to Dave. It's cold in here. I've had the heating on for the past hour and it's still cold. Right, let's crack on with the Hoover Junior. Okay, put it onto the highest level. Let's plug it in for the first time, for its first go. Okay, let's switch it on. That sounds good. Actually, that sounds really good. Fantastic. So we know it works. Now we need to concentrate on the bag. There we go, there's the bag on. Now, put it into the outer bag. There we go. Zippity-doo-dah. Okay, now it's on. I can do the zip up. Now let's try it on. Just wondering how that belt, it may need a new belt. Right, let's try it now. Oh yeah, that's better. Yeah, it's kind of propelling itself along. So let's give it a go. Let's put down some mess. Let's have a closer look. Okay, let me just try this quickly on the floor. Much better. Right, okay, so that is that. That is much better. Now I think we need to give it a demonstration. So let's go straight over and demonstrate it. Okay, so let's give it a go. And there we go. Good bit of a demonstration there for you guys, and it works really, really well. It still has its patina, but it definitely looks a lot better and fully usable, as you can see, and would put a lot of carpet vacuums to shame even to this day. So there we go, guys. Eventually we got it finished, and now it can be packed up and sent off to its new owner. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye, y'all.